Guys, we got a box in. We're gonna do a little unboxing for you. This is from Red Wolf Collectibles. Let's take a look at what they have come up with. All right, guys, so if you're not familiar with Red Wolf Collectibles, I reached out to them. They make custom comic book holders. This is long overdue. It was a treat to work with them. They will build you a custom design, or you can send them one as well. Super fast. They give you a proof and let you make your own decisions on what you want. You do got different configurations on this product. Red Wolf Collectibles. I'll put a link down below. Oh, this is my first time seeing this. Damn, those are the back plates. That shit is heavy right there. I did buy these, and I'm going to be buying at least another set or two. I've got a custom set that I'm going to be getting for my Sandman, some of my Sandman books. After talking to them and having such a good experience, I had a couple of ideas. One being a custom set for the Sandman. Once I get that, I'll show that as well. Comes nicely packed in this box. We got the back plates. Those are an option. You got several options. You go onto the site, you can get just the main plates. You can get these, and then of course they'll help you with some custom artwork if you want that as well. Or if you have your logo like we did, they will help you with that. Let's take a look and see what's inside the box. Bam, look at that. Looks so good. Oh, that looks so good. Let's get this out of the box. Oh, I dig that, man. Look at that. Nice gloss finish. Man. There's number two. And so I got two for the Whatnot show and for when we do photos for Instagram. Let's go to the main plates right here. Oh, damn, this is some heavy duty. I can't even say, like, nice pad. Look at this. Nice padded bottom, so you're not going to scratch up the surface. Get the back. Red Wolf Collectibles, little plate. Holy cow. This, if you're wondering, what the hell is that? Well, there it is. Nice little magnetic. So you can switch out your plates too. So if you wanted to say Venom, Marvel, your brand, a different one, you've got those options as well. I believe you can get extra custom plates made if you'd like. So there is that. Let me put that other one on there. So if you want to change it up, that's up to you. Man. So we got two of these. And again, we're going to use these in several different configurations. So freaking nice. Look at this thing. So I'm assuming, oh yeah, you can do clear, which that's dope. Or you can do that guy. So ours will look like that. Now real quick, let me get the other one open. And again, I'm actually going to be reaching out to him shortly after this video to go ahead and, let me move the camera down, order a custom set, see what he can do for a nice little Sandman set. I'm going to do a display in my office that I've got a cool idea for that they will be doing the custom artwork on. All right, so there we go. So it goes like that. You can use the clear, oops, or whatever you decide to do for custom. Obviously, you can put raw boys in like that. It's straight up, very, very clean and straight. And then if you want to go with something like, you know, whether it's one or two, these are in top loaders. Obviously, you don't need to use a top loader. You could do it like that. If you have a graded book, here's a little graded book. It sits on there like perfectly. Like, look at that. Freaking wicked. These guys absolutely killed it. I will be ordering at least another set. I'm sure more through time, but I had a really cool idea of what I'd like to do next with these guys. So again, guys, make sure to check them out. Red Wolf Collectibles. They did an incredible job. I can't say enough. I mean, like this. I also like this. So like if I do want to change these out, I just got to get a hold of them and get some extra ones made. Bam, bam, bam. Check them out, guys. Red Wolves Collectible. I'll put the link down below on how to get a hold of them. You can get a hold of them on IG and on their website as well. Thanks for tuning in.